guys, we're doing a wash machine. So the washing machine is have a door, and it has something inside here. You can spin. You can spin like this, and you can close it, and you put some. You can put some sabon here, and then like this you can spin itself. So, when you do this one, so you can spin itself, and you bring this one, and you click this, and this. Me and Daddy, we're doing a wash machine, and let's go. So, hi guys, we're doing a wash machine, and this is a square. The square to make us wash machine. So, we want to do it now. And we finish a wash machine and we close the video. So, like this. So, and this gets to put it on there. So, and this paste. You can paste everyone. You can paste this strong, this one. This paste strong. And this to pull something out. And this I want for a wash machine. And this, look at this body. What this do? Pen itself. Can spin faster like this. And like this you can put some foam here in it. It can wash and it can all clean. Only you not put water in it. Only you put some toys. You see? Just like this. And that is like this. You see? Like that. It's like that. It's like this. It's like this. So now this is Granada, and that is paste, and this is Magat, and this is Pepsi, and this is the triangles. And let's start work, guys. Give it to me.
Now we are ready.
Yeah.
This is our wash machine. That was tricky.
Give it to me.
Yeah.
Give it to me then. See, I want to play it. Hi guys. My daddy is doing for me wash machine. You can do this one. Hey. This is not working. This is not working. Before that. Daddy! Come.
What do you want to do, Morwan?
We put something here. We put some. Another here.
You want to put more? Want to put more?
No. Switch it on. Stuck. Stuck here. More? No.
Okay. Yalla. What do you want to put?
So
Tell us.
we put this all in one. Put the socks here. Open that. Yeah. There's something here. You see this? This is a button. All you do like this is my socks. I want to put it here and I put it here. And I put it here, it can spin. Only one. Let me show it to you. Hello guys, this is my wash machine. It's great. I can take, and I sleep, I can take it in the school. Describe me. So when like this, I can go to school, I can see my friends this, and my friends really like it. Bye bye. Subscribe me. Really cool. Naughty. Munch, munch, munch. Smash, 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 smash.